In this video, we will show you how to create an appliance using the Advanced Mode settings and how to connect to it. Advanced Mode settings help you to configure the size, accessibility, and uptime of your appliance. Most of them can also be adjusted in existing appliances. First, you need to go to cal.sap.com and log in to your SAP Cloud Appliance Library (SAP Cal) account. If you would like to learn how to create an SAP Cal account, watch our video with the title Creating Your SAP Cal User Account, which is also in this playlist. We offer two solution types: Appliance Templates and Products. Under Appliance Templates, you can access pre-installed and pre-configured SAP systems and system landscapes. They are ideal for exploring new releases, sandboxing, and for proof of concept projects. Under Products, we offer an easy way to install production-ready systems from default or custom SAP software stacks. In this video, we will focus on Appliance Templates option. Here, most of our solutions come with a 30-day free trial that enables you to explore and learn about the appliance. Keep in mind that costs from your cloud provider will still be incurred during this time, and that the free trial must not be used for business-relevant scenarios, such as proof of concepts. After 30 days, you will need a subscription to continue. You can still use your trial appliance in subscription mode, and you will then also have full support for business-relevant use cases. Visit our community for more information. In this video, we will create an appliance using an appliance template for SAP S/4HANA Fully Activated. Choose Create Appliance and accept the terms and conditions for the trial period. On the Create Appliance screen, click on Advanced Mode so that you can maintain more appliance properties. In this example, we choose AWS account, but the settings we will navigate through are valid also for the other supported cloud providers. In Step 2, the Appliance Details screen, you enter the appliance name, and you can also add a description if you choose. You can specify a region offered by your cloud provider. Note that the cost forecast varies depending on the region you choose. If you have network and subnet settings prepared in your cloud account, you can choose them here. You can also decide to run the appliance with a static IP, so that it comes up with a dedicated IP after each suspend and resume, for example, if you run it based on a schedule to control the costs. For SAP S/4HANA Fully Activated appliances, you have the additional option of creating appliances with dedicated domain names and customer-created SSL certificates. If you want to look into this option, refer to the Getting Started guide about the SAP S/4HANA Fully Activated Appliance template, linked in the description. In Step 3, you configure the virtual machines. Here you can change the default values we offer for the virtual machine types and the storage. Note that the cost forecast adjusts to the changed virtual machine sizes. You can choose from a range of certified VMs, depending on the performance you need and the cost you're willing to bear. Here you can also deselect optional virtual machines. Under Expandable Storage, you can increase the storage for your appliance. This might be necessary if you already know that you will load a lot of data into it, or that you will have a large number of log files. In the Access Points section, you can restrict access to the appliance ports by setting up rules to allow only dedicated IPs or IP ranges to connect to the appliance. This ensures greater security. Restrictions can also be cleared again. You can also extend the access points by adding new ones. In Step 4, Appliance Template Password, you set a master password for the appliance. A description of users and password handling is provided in the Getting Started guides for the appliance template. In Step 5, Schedule Details, you have various options to schedule when the appliance is active. For example, you can schedule it to run only on selected weekdays for a couple of hours. You can also set a termination date that suits your business needs. In the Summary step, you can go through all your settings and adjust them if needed. You can also change the settings later on once your appliance is running. When you choose Create, the appliance will be created. Depending on the landscape your solution has, it will take up to 90 minutes to activate it. You can download and store the access keys for logging into the backend at operating system level in case you need to check some settings later on. the appliance will activate, and clicking the Connect button will show you the access links for your appliance. For example, log into the Windows front end using your master password. From there, you can start working in the appliance back end. Now you can start exploring the content and business cases that interest you. To get in touch with our experts and explore more learning videos on, for example, creating your SAP Cloud Appliance Library user account, see the information below for the link to our SAP Cloud Appliance Library community. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.